It's painted. Oh, no way. Welcome back to another episode of Baseline Car Channel. In today's episode, as you guys already saw, we're going to be working on the Tesla behind me. Let me show you guys what's going on. As you guys know, it's been painted. Maybe you can see it already. Let's get right into it and let me update you guys what's going on here. So, as you guys can see, the car is painted and nice and shiny. I mean, look at it. The bumper has been painted, the quarter panel has been painted, the doors has been painted, front and rear, and look at it. I mean, that looks good. Just look at it. Can you tell where the quarter panel has been replaced? I was rushing enough to put the seal back. I just wanted to see how it's gonna look, and it looks cool. It looks like nothing happened ever before. I mean, look at it. It looks pretty cool, I would say. And also, in addition to all of this, you guys remember I had a little scratch over here on the front. It was like a little bit on the lip right here, so I had to like do this touch up as well. Came out really nice. I had to like do partial bumper repair or bumper paint. And as you guys can see, I still have some of it taped up. But yeah, I brought the Tesla back, and it's back in its order and the way it's supposed to be. And we're ready to assemble. In today's schedule, we got a bumper to install, which is probably going to be the first thing I'm going to install. The tail light. After that, I'm going to probably move on to the door, side skirts, all the little trims and all that. Door assembly, mirror, front end. I mean, there's plenty of work to do. And let's just get right into it. I mean, let's start with the bumper and move on towards this way. Put the fender liner, the wheel back on, and we should have all the parts to finish all this work, unless there's gonna be one of those parts that is gonna stop all of this, and I'm gonna have to get it in order to finish it. But overall, I mean, I think I got it all. So let's just get right into it and get this thing assembled. Alright, so the bumper is back on and it looks really good. I'm gonna turn the lights on so you guys can see. I mean, color match, everything looks pretty good. I would say I'm very impressed with the way it came out. Even on this side, every line, everything aligns really well and nice. I mean, it's all OEM, and you cannot get the aftermarket on these things. So all good to go. I don't have to fit exhaust because we don't have any. So on this side, we're all good. I was about to install a tail light. And then I found out that I have scratches on it, as you guys can see. So I do have to like buff it out and all that. It's gonna take time. I don't want to spend time right now. So I'm gonna come back to it later on. As for right now, I'm probably gonna move on and get to the fender liner side. Do all this wheel well, put the fender liner, clean the calipers a little bit, put the wheel back on, and after that maybe a side skirt, door, and so on and so forth. So let's keep going. Let's get to work. So the fender liner is in. It's a little bit dirtier than I thought it would be. The guy shipped it all dirty, but that's fine because it's only a fender liner. Just kind of create extra dust in the garage. That's all it is. But up next we got a side skirt, so I gotta put a clip right here and just put this side skirt. Should be in good condition. I gotta inspect to make sure it's all good, and then put one of those trims, and I guess there's supposed to be some kind of seal. So I'll figure this out and let's keep going. Once I put that in, I guess we'll move on to the door. Alright guys, so the side skirt is back on and it looks really good. I mean, everything lines up pretty nice. I gotta find this little piece, the little bezel, I guess. I don't know what it's called, but I gotta find, I should have it somewhere. But overall, it looks pretty nice. The door could use a little bit of adjustment here and there, but it's very, very minimum. So I'm probably gonna assemble it first, put a molding and everything, and then I'll see, make sure all these moldings and everything else aligns really well with the line of the car. So that's just the goal. I have an old door right here that I could swap all the parts from it, inner panel, the window regulator, the glass, all the other stuff, wire harness. I'm pretty sure it's all good. I don't think it got damaged. I mean, the door got banged up from the inside, as you guys could see and you remember previously. But overall, this car coming up really nice. I mean, looking from this view, you can't even tell that this car ever been wrecked, and that was the initial goal for us. So let's keep moving and start assembling this door. Alright guys, so the door is all assembled, the door handle is all adjusted and inside. Look at it. I mean, it looks great. It looks great. There's only one issue that I can't figure out yet. Of course, I haven't adjusted yet. But every time I pull on the handle, the glass goes down. But when I close the door, it doesn't go up. Not sure if that's a programming related, or maybe I have to lift the glass all the way up for the computer to detect that it's already up, and then it's just gonna be doing up and down type of thing. So not sure on that, but it's already late. It's probably like 3-4 o'clock in the morning, so I'm gonna call it a night for today and pick up some other day. Alright, so picking up where we left off last night, we assembled this door, we assembled everything over here, we assembled the whole side skirt, rear bumper, not the taillight, haven't got to that one yet. I got this little piece inside underneath. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's there. So all of that is done and covered. It's all good. Next step is our door, the driver's side door. Actually, no, the passenger side front door. We gotta assemble everything over here, put the mirror back on, and we should be good on this side. Gotta do a little bit cleanup, and most of that stuff is gonna go on the door. So let's get right into it and get to work. Alright guys, so the door is all done and complete. It's all assembled, the door panel is back on, the mirror's back on, everything is connected and it's working, so that's good. We got this done, and look at it. I mean, look at it. It looks good. Everything looks good. I mean, I'm not sure how the paint job looks on the camera, but in the real life it looks pretty cool. Everything aligns really well, but I'm still not satisfied with all of these spacing. Like, I don't think it's perfect enough yet. I think I could still play a little more with it and get it a little more perfect. But as you guys can see, it's pretty nice. So gotta do a little bit more of adjustment over here, which I will do off of camera. I gotta put the wheel back on, and I also gotta clean up all the sticky stuff from whoever taped the roof previously. It was on the whatever the mode is when the roof tilts a little bit and it lets the car ventilate. So it was a little tilted, the battery was off or it was dead. So they taped up this whole thing, so I have to clean this up before I take it to dealer. And talk about taking to dealer, I gotta take the whole car, load it on the trailer, take it to dealer, and get my physical key done, because I mean, it doesn't do anything. At the moment, it's just dead, and my Tesla app is not working, so I gotta figure out a way to start this thing without starting it with the laptop. I gotta figure out the normal way to start this thing and drive it every day, and then we should be good, I think. Alright, before I end this episode, I want to show you guys my future potential 2JZ LS twin Turbski project. So I got this thing for free, so my budget is very huge. On this I could probably spend a ton of money because I didn't have to pay for this thing alone. So just consider, consider this as a free gift that I could start from scratch. So yeah, I got this quad, and we're probably, well, most likely not, but maybe we'll do something with this quad in the future. As for right now, before I end this episode, I want to show you guys my new shop pad. So over there, as you guys can see, that area right there, that's my work belt. This is the belt that you have hammers, screws, knives, and everything else they use in construction to work to build such a garage as this. By the way, we built it ourselves. And inside that belt, in that pocket right there at the end of my finger, there's a little nest. There's a tiny bird that nested her eggs, and she's sitting on them for about 2 weeks now. So hopefully we can get chicks very soon, and I'll keep you guys updated on this little shop pad of ours. Alright guys, so that would be all for this episode. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, please press like. If you have anything to say and add any comments or anything like that, please comment section below. And if you watch my channel and you like my content, please consider subscribing to my channel, turn on your bell notifications, stay updated with my videos coming up. You can stay updated on my Mustang project and my Tesla project, and maybe future projects that are gonna come along the way. So stay tuned, like, comment, subscribe as always, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace! Also guys, don't forget social distancing. If you're racing somebody, the rule is don't chat on the parking lot for too long, how fast your car is. Get in the car, race them, beat them, send them to Gapplebee's, or let them send you to Gapplebee's. And after that, just go home and stay away from people in society. Stay safe, guys. Peace.